Once he moves off the road, then we're alright. There we go. We were standing in the road, and if he wants to walk down the road, that's the clear path that he wants to walk. So you just give him space, let him leave the road open to him. See how he's able to make his skin vibrate just above his, on top of his leg there, to shake the flies away. You can't do that. A lot of animals can. They've got these little muscles under their skin that allows them to shake like that. See, there's a bit of a shake there. You look, as he's turned away from us, you see the top of his horns? He hasn't got any fur on the top of his horns. That's how you tell a male from a female from a distance. You can see the top of the horns has got no fur in it, then it's a male. And that's from when they're fighting with each other, they bash each other with the top of their horns, and it rubs the hair off. Whereas the female will have little tufts of horns, little tufts of fur sticking above the horns. Also, I don't know if it's on him, but if you look carefully, they've got more than just the two horns. Very often they start getting two more behind the first set, and then sometimes on the point of their forehead as well they get a little bony outgrowth. And technically they're not horns. I keep referring to them as horns, but in the classic sense of it, they're not horn. They're just bony protrusions that are covered with skin. So that if you take a skull of a giraffe, where those are, there's just bone basically. Whereas if you take a skull of like that buffalo, for instance, it's got that covering on the outside which is like your fingernails over the bone, and that's a proper horn.